Question 8. Use your calculator to work out the cube root of 1.57 to the power 4 plus tan 60, all divided by 7.2 to the power of a half, giving your answer correct to 3 significant figures. Well, this is, can we enter this correctly on our calculator? Let's have a look at how I would lay it out. And so on our calculator, we can lay this out exactly as it looks. If we go for fractions, then on the numerator, you want to hit shift, the square root to get the cube root. And this is 1.57 to the power 4, all plus tan 60. Close the brackets after tan 60, and then going to the bottom, we've got 7.2, and that is also to the power of a half. So being really careful to make sure it looks exactly as it is in the question. When we hit equals, we get 0.739337 and so on. So to 3 significant figures, that is 0.739.